I really believe X as a service is equivalent to the oil boom. This is a time right now that there's so much opportunity in the industry, and AWS makes the American dream possible with regard to technology implementation. My name is Chris Cianconi. I'm the Chief Information Officer for the City of McKinney, Texas. McKinney is a really dynamic city. We just got ranked #1 in the country to live in 2014. We're about 15 miles north of Dallas. So we're right next to a small town called Frisco, kind of nestled between a lot of the other cities that are kind of landlocked, which McKinney has the opportunity to grow. I do believe the last projections were somewhere around 350,000 people. Money is always the backbone to all issues that organizations face. So what we wanted to do is move to a model where we could deliver more to our citizens and to reduce the cost of delivering those services to them. We chose AWS because we looked around at several different areas, and I'm a one throat to choke, one back to back kind of a person. So I wanted to put everything into a product line that has the ability to scale, that has the ability to grow, that has the ability to grow with my department. So AWS was a really easy fit for us for the way we do business. The products that we're running on AWS are what I consider the foundational products, which would be EC2 and S3. We also are using like Elastic Cache. We're using load balancing. We're using Lambda in our development environment. We're looking at Elastic Beanstalk and some of the other things that we're doing. We're using a whole entire range of AWS products. In addition to, we're using other products that we use on our infrastructure as well in a virtualized environment, so it makes that first phase of our evolution to be a lot more natural, a lot more comfortable for the first phase of the migration into AWS. The benefits are astronomical. I mean, not only on the CapEx, OpEx side, but then I don't have to worry about device drivers and all the other things that come along with it. Basically, I get to worry about how do I take a business need, find software that actually augments that business need, and then to make it a deliverable so people could actually do the work that they need to do. Owning an infrastructure is as silly as owning your own power plant. You know, just because we consume energy, we don't need to own the vehicle to deliver that energy. So by us using AWS, it gives us the ability to use the resources that are available for us to do work, but not own those infrastructures to deliver that work product. Going all in at a city of our size means that I could do more with less. So as constituents want more and more services, the cost goes up, but yet there's that driving pressure to reduce taxes and fees. So the only way to shift, in my opinion, money around in an organization is to move from CapEx to OpEx. And what that does is frees up some more money, in my opinion, that we could give back to the organization. Maybe it could be a fire truck, maybe it's a bridge, maybe it's a sidewalk, but it's something along those lines where if I could do more with less, I could return some of those funds back to areas that need it more.